Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this awesome duct tape squishy. This duct tape squishy is so slow rising. Let's see, watch this. It just wow, it just is. It almost looks like it doesn't even rise. That's crazy, you know? So, I'm going to show you how to make it. So, let's get started. The materials you need to make this are a plastic bag. An optional thing are scissors, but you actually don't need scissors. And you also need some duct tape. Voila. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take the bag and do that. Next, we're going to take the duct tape and we are just going to, we're going to take this and crumble it up. And then take a big piece. Then you're going to take that long piece and put it on the bag. Okay, simple. And you're just going to do that. You're just going to wrap it around. You're just going to wrap it around the bag until you get it to... So I've covered up, I've covered up the whole bag, as you can see, if the cameraman is doing a good job of this. And so now let's give it a squishy. Slow rising. Now this is very slow rising, and if you try this project out, give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to see more videos like this one. Bye!